The PNP used, based on your statement as the response of the PNP used the term assassin in referring to the person contracted by the Vice President to kill the President and two others.
Your Honor, it was not just the PNP, even the Presidential Communications Office also used the term assassin, Your Honor.
Okay. Now, what about the National Security Council? Ano bang sinabi ng NSA kung alam mo?
Again, Your Honor, if I may refer to my notes. Pwede na ba?
Your Honor? Your Honor? May the witness be allowed to refer to his notes once more?
You may do so, Mr. Witness.
Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor, the question was about the statement of the NSC, right?
Yes.
Quote, the National Security Council considers all threats to the President of the Philippines as serious. Any and all threats against the life of the President shall be validated and considered a matter of national security, unquote.
Okay. Now, sinabi mo rin na yung Armed Forces of the Philippines or AFP nagbigay din ng kanilang response sa naging pagbabanta ng Vice Presidente. Kung alam mo, tsaka kung maaalala mo, ano ba yung sinabi ng Armed Forces of the Philippines?
Same, Your Honor, if I may refer to my notes.
Baka tumango na lang si Cheeks. Yun, no? Anak ni Jose Sison, Jose Maria Sison. Nagparamdam. Ayan, no? Anak ni, Jose Maria Sison.
For the record, we're far away.
Wala siya. Kinuha yung notes. Ba't yung kinuha yung notes?
Just for the record.
For orderly proceeding, Your Honor, please, I think it's proper for Attorney Season to ask to be recognized first.
Yes, Your Honor, we will do that. If I may be recognized, Your Honor.
Depends. What is the pleasure of Attorney Counsel for Respondent Attorney Season?
We'll just state an observation on the note.
Your Honor, I think
Counsel,
you
we
must be
agreed
recognized first.
that only one counsel shall speak insofar as the presentation of a witness is concerned. This was objected to by the counsel for respondents, even if it was asked for by the counsel for the prosecutors.
Your Honor, for,
We will do that,
for the
Your
record,
Honor.
we are not objecting, but for a properly proceeding, Attorney Season.
Counsel,
should
it's
be asked to be
okay. The chair will
recognized.
make a ruling. Attorney Binluan can
Thank you.
handle
Thank you,
that.
Your Honor.
With your permission, Attorney Season.
Your Honor, I'd just like to share the observation that the witness is reading from notes, from his notes and not directly from the document that he
Investigator's
identified.
note nga eh.
And if I may reply to that, Your Honor, to that non-issue, Your Honor, if I may.
Correct, non-issue.
Yes.
Your Honor, there's nothing.
Yes, counsel for the prosecutors.
Your Honor, wala po sa rules na kailangan
Basahin
na
yung
yung
actual.
tugon ng isang witness, sinabi niyang notes, dapat based sa isang dokumento. In fact, Your Honor, please,
Notes nga niya yan
yung
eh.
iniisip ng ating rules, yung mga notes na ginawa mismo ng
Investigador.
witness. For the public, if you're interested, you may look at Rule 130, Section 16 ng Rules of Court. Andun yun, po pwedeng tingnan ng isang testigo yung notes na ginawa niya. Rule 130, Section 16, Your Honor, please.
Before I
Rule 130
recognize
daw,
counsel
waiting
for
natin.
respondent, Senator Judge Lacson, what is your pleasure, sir?
Thank you, Mr. Presiding Officer. This is relevant to the discussion.
The gentleman may proceed and he has 2 minutes.
Yes. You requested to refer to your notes, a number of times during your direct examination. Ang tanong ko,
Opo.
are you referring to an investigator's notes or notebook or simply notes?
No, Your Honor, during the investigation, I have copies of the affidavit of investigations
Okay.
that we have.
Yeah, I asked that question because my understanding of an investigator's notes or notebook to be credible and may even be used as part of the examination or evidence in chief, depending on its authenticity and purpose. And the rule of evidence is that the contents therein were written on the exact dates when the subjects of those notes actually happened. Ito ba yung ginawa nyo mismo?
Yes, Your Honor, during
Thank
the
you.
investigation.
Thank you
Your
for the clarification.
Thank you, Senator Judge Lacson. Noted and entered into the records. Counsel for respondent, what is your pleasure?
Your Honor, that was a mere manifestation, Your Honor. We just want to put it for the record.
There being no objection, some witness may proceed and answer,
Tumeka lang.
or counsel may proceed with this question.
For the record lang naman pala.
The Armed Forces of the Philippines. Ano sinabi ng Armed Forces? Are we done? Not yet. Okay, so let's go back.
Yeah, if I may, Your Honor.
Yes.
Witness may continue to answer.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Nilikutan eh.
On November 23, 2024, General Romeo S. Browner, Chief of Staff of the Armed Forces of the Philippines, issued the following statements. Quote, the Armed Forces of the Philippines is a professional organization focused on its mandate to protect the people and the state. Our personnel are loyal to the Constitution and the chain of command, unquote. Hindi ko
Okay
na
na.
po binasa lahat, sir.
Okay, now, after you and your team discovered these responses, Attorney Loto, what happened next, if any, kung meron man, tsaka kung alam mo, in relation sa investigation nyo, sa mga statements ng Vice President on that day, November 23, 2024?
We issued subpoena to the media personalities present during the online press conference of November 23, 2024.
Mhm.
Sir,
What?
for them to appear on December 4,
Mhm.
2024, sir.
You issued a subpoena to the media personalities that you said andun sa media conference na iyon to appear on December 4, 2024. Now, sino ba yung mga media personalities na pinasubpoena ng NBI?
Again, Your Honor, if I may refer to my...
You may do so, Mr.
Thank you,
Witness.
thank you, Your Honor.
Notes ulit. Notes yan ha. Ang gusto kasi kanina, basahin yung actual memorandum galing sa AFP. Ang binabasa kasi niya ay sa investigator's note. So, ang pinaglalaban ng kabila, ba't hindi rin binabasa yung sa actual na AFP? Hindi naman, non-issue naman. talaga.
First to the late Dempsey Saiden Reyes of the Philippine Daily Inquirer, and then to Red Hor, Marky J. Mendoza of the Manila Times,
Si Red Mendoza.
Bons Magsambol of Rappler, Ana Rosario Malindo Uy of the Manila Times,
Sa Ana Malindog.
Jason Rubrico of the SMNI, and Mikael Flores of the Reuters, Your Honor.
Taga Reuters
Okay,
po,
now,
sa
Mr.
Mikael
Witness,
Flores.
yung tanong now is, ba't kailangan isubpoena ng NBI itong mga media personalities na ito na mag-appear sa NBI sa araw na iyon, December 4, 2024?
Your Honor, they were there during the online press con, and they participated the press conference. So, ang tingin namin, meron silang personal knowledge kasi nandoon sila at nag-participate po sila.
Tama
Kaya
naman. Andun
we
sila
deemed
eh.
it proper to issue subpoena on them. Your Honor.
Now,
Si Nick
so
Steven
you
may
said
subpoena, di ba?
na they were subpoenaed to appear on December 4, 2024 in the NBI. Now, what happened on that day, December 4, 2024, if any, and if you know, in relation to the investigation you conducted?
The agent on case reported to me that Mr. Reyes and I think Mr. Magsambol appeared before the Office of the Cybercrime Division and participated in the process of the interview, sir.
Now, how do you know? How do you know that these two individuals, at least, si Dempsey Reyes, again, may his soul rest in peace, and Magsambol appeared before the NBI on that day, December 4, 2024?
Yes, Your Honor. Aside from the fact that the agent on case reported that to me, he showed to me the minutes of meeting wherein the signatures of the late Mr. Reyes and Magsambol were affixed on it, Your Honor.
Okay.
May nakapirma ho sila doon sa minutes of meeting, sir.
All right, now, thank you so much, Attorney Lotok. Now, Attorney Lotok, you said that your team interviewed members of the media. You issued subpoena to them and they appeared. Now, what else happened, if any, in relation to the investigation you conducted?
We issued subpoena ad testificandum to the Vice President herself
Mhm.
to shed light in the investigation we are conducting, sir.
So you're telling the public that you, NBI, also issued a subpoena to the Vice President?
Oh,
Yes,
Yes,
Your Honor.
answered, Your Honor.
due process
Now,
yan.
proceed, Your Honor. Now, what proof, if any, do you have that in fact the NBI issued a subpoena addressed to the Vice President?
We have copy of that subpoena at testificandum dated November 25, 2024, sir.
Now, kung yung subpoena na binigay ng NBI sa Vice Presidente may petsang Nobyembre 25 taong 2024 ipapakita sa iyo, makikilala mo ba yung dokumentong ito?
Opo.
Now, we are now in the process of presenting to you a subpoena ad testificandum dated on even date December 25, 2024. That
Counsel
is,
for the parties are authorized to approach
Thank
and
you so
view
much.
the document.
for the record, this is previously marked as Exhibit P dash Roman numeral 4 dash 4 for the prosecution. Have you perused the same, Attorney Lotto?
Yes, Your Honor.
Question, what relation, if any, does that document have with the subpoena you mentioned?
This is the same subpoena I mentioned, sir.
Thank you so much. So the NBI issued a subpoena to the Vice
Your
President.
Honor, can we just make a comment?
Manifestation
Counsel
lang.
for the respondents recognized.
Nagpaparamdam lang sila, guys. Manifestation na malamang na naman yan.
Your Honor, may we just put on record that Exhibit P-4-4 is a photocopy and it was not
As usual.
the original or the certified copy thereof was not
Yun ulit.
produced.
We are ready to produce that, and that's the next step we are supposed to do. Your Honor,
Noted. Please proceed.
we have a copy of the certified true copy. We invite the defense to check the same for comparison, Your Honor, please.
Grabe. Hayaan na natin, guys. Hayaan na natin muna. Oo. Exciting na naman sa cross to. Bukas yung cross malamang. Or baka mamaya. Baka nag-iba na sila ng strategy. Strategy nila, hindi na sila masyado mag-o-object. Dadaanin nila sa cross. Doon nila bubuhos lahat sa cross.
Counsel for the respondent.
Your Honor, it is a faithful reproduction of the certified true copy, Your Honor.
Noted for the records.
May proceed,
Counsel
Your
for the
Honor.
prosecutors may proceed.
Now, Mr. Witness, we would like to know how did
The Vice
the
President.
Vice President
Yeah.
respond, if any, if at all, and if you know, to the NBI
Covered lahat,
subpoena issued to her?
Well, the Vice President did not appear, Your Honor. Instead, she sent her lawyer, Attorney Paul Lawrence Lim, if I'm not mistaken.
Yun yung appearance niya. Yung
Okay,
appearance.
she did not appear.
Yes,
As it
Your Honor.
answered.
First,
Okay, now, question. If you know, what was the Vice President's reason for failing to appear at the NBI, in the NBI, despite the subpoena issued to her?
busy daw siya.
I think the Vice President, in effect, was saying there were office matters to tend to, so she cannot attend the scheduled subpoena date, sir.
Office matters. Now, how did the respondent, the Vice President, inform you that she could not attend the subpoena because she was attending to quote office matters unquote?
Through her lawyer.
There was a letter, I think, dated November 28, 2024, which was submitted by the counsel of the Vice President, sir.
So the letter, December 20, 2024. Now, kung yung kopya ng letter na yan ipapakita sa iyo, ma-identify mo ba yung letter na ito?
Opo,
Now,
Your Honor.
we're in the process of showing you a copy of the letter dated November 28, 2024.
Counsel for the prosecutor may approach, as well as counsel for the respondent.
Ito yung pinaka nakaka-bore na part, guys. Promise. Yung ganito.